Huawei apparently is going to be releasing its first HarmonyOS phone next year. And I mean, it's funny to me. I was watching the NHL playoffs last night, and they're still promoting P40.
Oh.
They're saying the best smartphone camera, and they're talking about how you can get apps with pedal search because you don't have the Play Store.
What's that?
Yeah, exactly.
Oh.
But they're not packing it in, man. Obviously times have changed, things have changed. They canceled that sponsorship deal, that big Australian rugby team, and they've been backing off, saying, "Yeah, we're gonna peel it back because obviously outside of China, we're facing these massive restrictions, none bigger than the inability to get chips from TSMC in Taiwan. They can't even continue the Kirin stuff at the moment." They can't even get chips out of Taiwan, man. And they can't get the OS they need to run the devices. So I mean, that's a tough spot to be in. And they said early on, yeah, we're going to do it. We're going to do the HarmonyOS. And people were like, all right, when? People were like, all right, sure. Sounds maybe. I was skeptical because obviously Android is very powerful. It opens up many opportunities for you. It's a well-established platform. And obviously in the Western markets, it is globally, it's the platform.
Yeah.
Never mind desktop-based platform. It's the platform. So Huawei's going to try to figure it out. They're going to try to take this OS that started as, I believe what they call a small kernel or micro kernel, a micro kernel-based OS, which currently resides on some smartwatches. I think actually in terms of consumer products, I think it's only in TVs right now.
Oh, okay.
But then it might pop up on the smartwatches, and then they claim this year we'll see the smartphone with HarmonyOS. Now you tell me, Willie Doo, does it stand a chance against Android devices outside of China?
No.
Who's going to take a shot?
Not yet, because there's probably incompatibility issues in terms of software. Right.
I mean, it's a huge commitment for a buyer. They see a premium device.
Yeah.
They got a device that's $800, $900, and then I'm going to take a shot on this OS.
Yeah.
I'm going to take a shot.
Can't support Gmail.
Can I get the apps I'm looking for? Are they going to be ported over? Who's going to do the work? We've been here with BlackBerry. We've been here with other OSs that have attempted it. Microsoft couldn't do it.
Yeah.
Microsoft couldn't build a successful phone, or at least a lasting phone on an OS that wasn't Android. Now they come to Android with the Surface Duo and other products, and now people really think there might be a chance.
And let's just say if they can port it, services and software, how well can it be? Is it going to be slow? Is it going to be buggy?
It's a lot of questions, and it's a big risk for a buyer. It's a big leap for a potential buyer because they're going to have to, they're going to be living with the results and the consequences, and they're going to, if they have a subpar experience, I mean, the value proposition is going to have to be so high. The camera, for example, would have to be so good that someone would say it's worth the risk.
Yeah.
Or something like that. So anyway, apparently they're going to launch this thing this year. We'll see if people are willing to take a shot or chance at it. One thing Huawei could do is try to incentivize developers to bring their apps to that OS. They can say, look, it's going to be worth it, but it's going to be a tough pitch. Like I said, others have tried. Many have failed. Android is going to be a tough one to go up against right now. Well, Android and iOS, the combination of options, especially the price point Huawei was really focused on. They really wanted that flagship level. So we'll see what takes place, but they're still working on it.